कैसे हो आप सब? ठीक हो? Welcome to our channel Tasty Chillies. So I hope you guys enjoyed our previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, तो please subscribe करो ना यार. I will be making today one of India's most popular Indo-Chinese dish called chili chicken. Is your mouth watering now? Come on and join me. Let's go and make some chili chicken.
First, we'll make the batter for the chicken. We'll add 2 tablespoons of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Salt to taste. Then add 1 whole egg. Mix them all nicely. Now we're going to add about 300 grams of boneless chicken, and I cut this chicken in cube size, bite size pieces. And make sure you mix the batter nicely with the chicken. Make sure that the chicken is evenly coated with the batter. Now we're going to fry the chicken on low to medium heat.
Quick tip, when you're frying the chicken, you want your heat to be on low heat because you don't want to overcook the chicken, because when you do that, it gets really chewy.
As you can see, our chicken is light brown. Now it's time to take it out. Now let's prepare the gravy for the chili chicken. For that, place a pan on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add about 4 dry chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic chopped, a teaspoon of ginger. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Saute them a little bit. Add 1 diced onions, 1 diced capsicum or bell pepper. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or puree, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, salt to taste, half a teaspoon black pepper. Mix them well. Add 1/4 cup of water. We will take 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and add 2 teaspoons of cold water to it. Then mix to make a slurry. Add half of the slurry first and then check later if it's too thick. If it's not, then add the remaining slurry. Let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are half cooked. Then we can add the chicken. Mix it well. And then let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add some finishing touch to our dish and add some chopped coriander to it. I like my chili chicken with thick gravy, so I'll add the rest of the slurry. Our chili chicken has turned out with really good color and it smells awesome. So I think it's time for us to serve and enjoy.
Our mouth-watering chili chicken is done. I hope you enjoyed making it with me and you will try it at home. If you have any comments, please leave it down the comments below. And please like, share and subscribe to Tasty Chillies. Again, thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.